Defects will tell you all about your internal health. Our face is the mirror of our internal health. An ancient Chinese technique known as face mapping tells us more about our internal health and what can we do to change and improve that. What your skin defects say about your health. The condition of our face skin is a great sign of what happens with our physical and emotional health. Clear skin indicates healthy body, while skin defects show that there is something wrong inside the body. Dark circles and bags under the eyes. Bags under the eyes are a sign of aging, and in most cases they are harmless. To be more specific, the tissues and muscles under your eyes weaken with age, thus causing the formation of mild swelling and making the lids fluffy. Lack of sleep, allergies, dermatitis, and water retention are among the other factors that can contribute to dark circles. According to the Chinese medicine, this part of the eye is related to the kidneys, so it may indicate a problem with your kidneys. Forehead acne. The forehead is associated with digestion. Namely, the upper forehead is related to the bladder while the lower forehead is related to the intestines. Large amounts of lines on the forehead and acne on the forehead can indicate that your digestive system is not able to efficiently process the food that you consume. Thinning of eyebrows and eyelashes. Eyebrows are linked to the adrenal glands. This means that any lines that appear from the start of the eyebrows are related to the adrenal stress. Moreover, thinning of the eyebrows and eyelash show indicates stress associated with the adrenal glands. Red nose. There are different blood vessels on the nose. So, their expansion can cause discoloration. There are many factors that can cause expansion, including allergies, sinus problems, and respiratory stress. The Chinese medicine claims that the nose is linked to the lungs, so any sinus problems can cause harm to your lungs. Butterfly rash on the cheeks. Climate change, excessive consumption of sweets and bad selection of cosmetic products can lead to a rash on the face. When you eliminate the product that causes the problem, the rash is eliminated as well. However, if your rash lasts for a longer period of time and spreads over the cheeks, it may be a sign of lupus. Fatigue, chest pain, fever, and joint pain are among the other symptoms of lupus. Cracked lips. It is normal to experience cracked lips as a result of sun exposure. However, the Chinese medicine claims that cracking and dry lips are related to gastric/stomach stress. Acne breakout on the chin. The chin is related to the reproductive organs. This means that a breakout on the chin can occur as a result of a menstrual cycle. Excess hair on the face. In most cases, excess hair is hereditary. However, in some cases, it can occur as a result of a condition called hirsutism. According to the Chinese medicine, the chin is related to the reproductive organs. In other words, the excess hair on the face can indicate a hormone imbalance or a hormonal change in life, pregnancy, post-childbirth, or menopause.